How to claim your FBA reimbursements. This is what we see lots of sellers are asking us. Because on October 23rd, 2024, the rules are changing and you will not be able to get your money back if you don't act fast. That could be thousands of dollars. So since we've got 1 week, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim your FBA refund easy and fast and absolutely free for Sellrise growing and above plans. This is the best way you possibly can get your money back. And this is your last chance to jump in until Amazon's new rules apply. But first, what exactly are Amazon FBA reimbursements? When Amazon handles your inventory, mistakes can happen. Items can get lost or damaged at fulfillment centers, mischarged fees sneak in, or a customer return goes wrong. When any of this happens, Amazon owes you money. The problem is these reimbursements don't happen automatically. That's where you start acting. You need to file claims to get that money back, and these reimbursements could be as much as 3% of your annual revenue. So if you sell $100,000 worth of products, you could be missing out on $3,000 or more. Doesn't that sound like something worth reclaiming? So what's happening on October 23rd, 2024? Amazon is shortening the time you have to file FBA reimbursement claims. If your inventory gets lost or damaged, or if you're overcharged, you have up to 18 months to file a claim. Now, you'll only have 60 days. That's why it's more important now than ever to understand the process and to act quickly. But you can claim your FBA reimbursement very fast, and I'll show you exactly how. The first thing you want to do is check how much Amazon actually owes you. Go to Sellrise, head to the reimbursement tool, and let the software analyze your account. Once the data is processed, you'll see a breakdown of what Amazon owes you for the past 18 months. You can claim until October 23rd, 2024. Just remember that after this date, you'll be able to reimburse only for the past 60 days. So please don't wait. You can check if Amazon owes you completely free with Sellrise. Link will be down in the description below. Next, you'll see how much you're owed for each type of reimbursement. Sellrise supports various claims like lost inventory during shipping, damaged goods, or even overcharged fees. You can hover over each category to see the timeline of when the claim needs to be filed. You don't need to analyze your reports manually. Sellrise does everything for you. Think about how much time you save. After selecting the reimbursement type, the next step is to choose the products and adjustments. Sellrise automatically finds all relevant transaction details for you. Then you can either file a claim manually in Amazon Seller Central or submit it directly in Sellrise with just a click. Once you've submitted your claims, you can track their status directly in the Sellrise dashboard. You'll see which claims are pending, which ones have been approved, and how much money you've recovered so far. It's easy, right? And when Amazon approves your reimbursement, you'll get an email notification and the funds will be credited to your account in 2 to 3 business days. You can also track every single reimbursement case in Seller Central if you want to double check. One of the best parts about Sellrise is, unlike many third-party services, which can take up to 25% commission on the money recovered, Sellrise doesn't charge any commission. That means you keep 100% of the money that Amazon owes you. The only thing you pay for is the subscription. Here's a pro tip to help you maximize your reimbursement. You don't want to miss this window for reimbursements, but sometimes it can happen. Sellrise made it very simple. Sellers can turn on a notification and smart alerts, and they'll be notified every time they have something to reimburse. Amazon often makes mistakes, and the quicker you catch them, the faster you'll get your money back. And finally, act quickly. After October 23rd, many reimbursements will become non-refundable. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe for more tips on maximizing your Amazon business. See you in the next one.